So today is Miranda and I's 13th anniversary.
Yay!
We've spent 13 years together today, and yesterday we went and saw Pulpit Rock and overlooked from really high elevations, highest point in Alabama. Today we are going to Cheaha Falls. So we got about a mile hike down this trail, right here. There's the trail, and I don't know if you can hear it down there, but we can already hear the water running down there. It's pretty cool. So looking forward to that. Miranda, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
First sign of water.
Yep.
Oh, there's one of
The little mudfish. Really? Oh yeah, he's bigger than the other one. Aww.
Check that out. That'd be a salamander, right? He lives in the water.
Some type, but it's related to a salamander.
It's my little friend here. He's trying to hide in the rocks. I'm gonna let him go, but I don't want to hurt him. Look at that little guy. Look at that little guy. He's got little legs. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Let's let him get back in the water.
Yeah, one just bit my arm. I don't know why I didn't grab the legs first.
This is a cool tree. People have been carving their initials and stuff in it for a long time. It's a big tree. Oh, yeah, I got a big dog print on this one.
K&M?
It's really funny you said that because I'm videoing a K&M. Yeah. I think so. K. Yeah, maybe it's. Looks like a K&M. The lizard. Oh, that's that one. That's like the one that has the little bullet in his chin. Pretty crazy having all this to ourselves. Yeah, down there. Like some good deer hunting woods.
Assuming that's where the water is, isn't it?
We don't know. We're looking for water. We're getting really close. I hear it. Getting so close. See big rocks. I hear water moving. And it appears we might have it to ourselves, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh, we're at the top of it. Kind of the top. We're getting there. I got to do some splunkering here. Yeah, buddy. I imagine it falls down quite a bit. Wow.
We are at Cheaha Falls. Short hike here. I think it's like a mile. Miles down there. Pretty stinking cool.
You slip in here, it'd be a bad deal. I want to get over here where you can see the fall. Oh yeah. Check that out. Here we go. On the falls. I guarantee there's some fish in that, buddy. just make you want to jump in, doesn't it?
It looks refreshing, I'm not gonna lie. Anniversary hike. Been good so far.
Can't hear a word you're saying.
You can't?
No. It's pretty cool here. Brandon's down there doing selfies. To be able to put yourself right in the middle of a waterfall and it's cascading water and stuff. Pretty neat. If we didn't have to get back in the truck, we might consider plunging into the plunge pool. The water's nice and cold, refreshing, like you want in there. Pretty cool. There's a video.
Oh, I thought you said a picture.
We're gonna do a picture too. But we made it to Cheaha Falls. It's right there. We played around and now we're leaving. So goodbye to Cheaha Falls.
Bye. You were pretty.
Yeah. Now up to whatever the next adventure
I think
is.
there's 3 more falls to check out.
I don't know if we're gonna make it to all 3 today or
We'll do
not.
one more
I'm
today.
already wanting a sandwich.
I
But,
got a granola bar.
all right, granola bar it is.